Hello, hello, hello. This is Mamta Sahota. I am your realtor and I am an investor as well. And I bring you only those properties where I can invest with confidence. And today I'm very excited to share this great investment opportunity with you. First of all, the location is amazing. Secondly, the builder is awesome. The track record is great. And the third, which is a surprise, I'm going to tell you. So first of all, let's talk about the location. So this project is a luxury condo building and it's going to be happening in the North York community. Very beautiful, surrounded with lots of park, but the most important location for investor because you're just 3 minutes walk from the Glencairn Subway Station. And if you want to take LRT, just 6 minutes walk. Highway 401, Allen Road 404 and 400, just few minutes away. If you want to go to Yorkdale Mall, it only takes 3-minute ride, subway ride. If you want to get to York University, only 20 minutes. So this location is the key for you. Okay, let's talk about the builder now. Chestnut Hill Development, they've been building award-winning communities since 1981. And their product is amazing, and every time I launch any project with them, it just sells out within few weeks. So this is your opportunity to grab your unit with this great builder. All right, the third important thing for you, if you're a first-time investor, this is your chance to get your unit in Toronto, because in this project, the deposit structure is amazing. You're paying only 3% in this year, next year again 3%, and again you are paying after that in 2022 you're paying 6%. So this way you're paying your deposit structure, and that's very easy, very convenient, and you can get to investment market so quickly. And if you're a regular investor, you already know what I'm talking about. You are buying a property worth of hundreds of thousands of dollars, but you are paying very small amount to own that property every year. Okay, awesome. So the project has already launched today. So we have already started booking units for you today. We are still in the Platinum Access. I am your Platinum agent who brings you the great fabulous projects. By the way, this project will be the occupancy is scheduled in 2024. That gives you great amount of time to grow your investment. So what you have to do, you just have to connect with me so that I can get you the Platinum Access, Platinum prices, special discount over price, and special incentives. Give me a call at 647-532-3000, 647-532-3000. Bye-bye.